Welcome to your dream home. Are you ready to be wowed? This fantastic property boasts 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 luxurious bathrooms, and an inviting open floor plan that's perfect for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with your loved ones. But wait, there's more. Your cars will be snug and secure in the double-car garage, ensuring convenience and peace of mind. Step outside to discover a large backyard, ideal for hosting barbecues, gardening, or creating your own private oasis. The interior is a canvas of freshness, featuring new paint and flooring that exude modern charm and style. Plus, say goodbye to the hassle of manually opening your garage door because a brand new opener has been installed for your convenience. Situated on a generous lot, this property is not only move-in ready, but also conveniently located close to the stunning SC beaches, top-notch shopping destinations, and exciting entertainment options. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of paradise that's ready and waiting for you to make it your own. Your dream home awaits.